Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for coming by. Today I have a new box to the channel, which is this nice Sips by box. And I have actually thought about ordering this for a couple of months now. I saw Kitty on Kitty's Boxes do it, and I had thought about ordering it. I knew I would definitely do it by fall, but then Sips by reached out to me and asked if I'd like to receive a box, and I said I would actually love that. So I'm so excited to have this box. Even the box is cute with the little teas and the little hearts. I can't wait to get in here. This has been here. I've had it for a day and I haven't gotten in here yet. I did come upstairs, prepared this. I have a nice hot covered cup of water. So as soon as we see what's in here, I'll set one to steep and we'll give it a taste and we'll see what we think. This is all brand new to me. In case you don't know, Sips by is a monthly subscription of teas, and you get 4 different types of tea to try, and it's $15 with free shipping. And I will put a link below that is to the site, and if you use Catherine5, you'll get $5 off your first box, so it'll be a $10 box. And you go in when you sign up and you tell them what you like. They ask you so many great questions about caffeine, like 0 to 5. How do you feel about caffeine? I generally try and stay decaffeinated or lightly caffeinated during the day. Sometimes in the morning I'll have one good caffeinated something to get me started, but then I really steer clear of caffeine. So I fill that out, and they ask you what flavors you like and don't like, and if you're allergic to things. It is so thorough. So let's quit talking about it and get in here and see what I've got. I just knew that I was probably going to love this the minute I got it because they ask so many questions. How can what I love not be in here? This is what the inside looks like, and it says August Teas, Sips by. Oh, and the back says made for Catherine. How cute is that? Because they are all individually selected based on the profile you fill out. And these are the teas that we have. Let's get in here and find out what we can. Okay, so first off, let's give them a quick look-see, see which one we want before we read about it and get it steeping, because usually they have to steep 5 minutes. Okay, the very first one we're going to do is right on top. It is the Red Tea Good Hope Vanilla, and it's naturally caffeine-free. So we're going to start with this since we are later in the day for me here. I don't think that I want to get into caffeine. So I'm going to just, ooh, it's very well sealed. As luck would have it, I have a little pair of scissors here. I'm sure I could be more aggressive, but why do that? And we have one cute round tea bag. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like vanilla. And I'm going to pop it right into that nice water that I brought up, and we'll sit it over here. And when we're done, we'll see what it tastes like. Okay, so now that we've got that steeping, let's circle back to what this says. Made for Catherine. How cute is that? As the dog days of summer come to a close, how do you make the most of your tea time? Will you ice your tea and hit the hammock, or blast your AC and burrow under the blankets with a hot cuppa? I am definitely an AC girl. So generally you get 4 teas, and of each of the teas you get 4 servings. So let's start first with what I'm already brewing, and that's the Red Tea Good Hope Vanilla. And you get 4 servings generally of each type of tea that you receive. This says that the naturally caffeine-free rooibos is indigenous to the Cape region of South Africa, which includes the Cape of Good Hope. The infusion is sweet, satisfying, and good all day long. So being caffeine-free, it is absolutely good all day long for me. Let's see what else we've got. I will select what's next on top, and I have 4 of these also, and it is the Choice Organic Herbal Tea in Peppermint. So it's not only in its tea bag, it's also in a protected plastic sleeve, which I imagine will help keep the scents in. Yeah, I can't smell it. This says that the Peppermint Sips by Choice Organic Teas is caffeine-free. Yay! Sit back and relax with this cooling classic, grown on fertile volcanic hillsides in the Pacific Northwest of the United States. Also, under each of these teas, there is a discount code. So if you like them, you can go onto their site and order more at a discount. Well, let's get in here because we want to know what this smells like. Oh my goodness. That's probably why they had it in the sleeve. This would probably make everything else in that box smell like peppermint. It is, oh, it is incredible. This smells just, I'm going to hold it. Can you smell it now? This smells just like peppermint, and it just says ingredient, organic peppermint leaf. So I think it is literally tea that's just peppermint. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. Okay, this is so fun. Let's see what's next. I will tell you, they reached out to me and I said, just like I say to everybody, and they were perfectly fine with, I said, look, you know, I will be happy to do this, but if I don't like it, I'm going to be truthful, but it's so much fun. I love it already. So next I have the Nepal Tea Nepali Breakfast, which I can tell by feeling it is a loose leaf tea, which I will say brings us to this, which is a pouch in here that says reusable muslin cloth tea bag disposable bags. So just in case you don't have a way to deal with just loose tea at your home, they send you reusable, although I probably won't reuse them, little muslin tea bags that you can just put your little loose tea in, and then how cute is that, guys? Well, let's get in here. I'm opening these because I'm going to be drinking them, so it's not like I need to save them because I love tea. Oh my goodness, this smells, oh, it smells like chai. I'm going to tilt that and hope that you guys can see in there. See all those nice big full leaves? It's not dust or anything. So pretty. I cannot express to you how good this smells. Let's see what it says. It says that it's high caffeine. So this is my morning drink. And it says, start the day the Nepalese way with this unique organic masala chaya, featuring a delicious homemade masala chai mix. Brew with milk and sugar for enhanced taste. I bet with milk and sugar in it, this would be, oh, it smells just like chai. It smells fantastic. And now I have these that I can put it in, and it says that you just use 1 teaspoon. So I would say there are definitely 4 teaspoons in here, so at least 4 servings. And last but not least, I have green passion fruit, fruit tangy and refreshing. And this is another one that is going to just be loose leaf tea. And that's what that looks like. So the paperwork says that this includes pineapple, green tea, black currants, cornflower petals, calendula petals, safflowers, and natural passion fruit flavoring, and that it is low caffeine. Calling all passion fruit lovers, this juicy, energizing green tea is a delicious way to get your fix. Try it as a refreshing iced tea. It's great after a workout. Well, I tell you what, that is exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make a nice pitcher of iced tea. This one's in a little resealable bag, but if I make an iced tea, it will probably take all of it for a pitcher, but that'll be fun to try. All right. Oh my goodness. It smells, it's just fruity. It smells like all of those fruits that I mentioned. Mostly you can smell absolutely, they say that it's passion fruit, but the predominant smell for me is the pineapple, and it smells so good. You know what? I will put this in my hand. Oh, it smells so good. And do this so it would be so much easier for you guys to see. Look at those huge chunks of pineapple. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. I'm gonna put it back in here. I'm going directly downstairs and turning this into a pitcher of iced tea. And oh my goodness, it smells so good. So that's what that looks like again. So that is what I received from Sips By, and this would be the August box in case I didn't mention that, which I don't think that I did. And like I said, it's very personalized. You go in and you tell them where you stand with caffeine and what flavors you like. Like I said, I can't have licorice and a few other odds and ends. There are so many choices. I cannot wait to see what I get next. I have to have this box. This is the August Teas made for Catherine. And I got the green passion fruit, which I'm going to turn into iced tea. This lovely chai, which smells beyond. This peppermint tea, which smells beyond. And I know, I feel like I'm over the top about teas, but this smells like heaven right here. And this nice rooibos red tea in Good Hope vanilla, which I have now, I suspect, been steeping, yep, for more than 5 minutes. So let's see this. Can you guys see the steam still coming off that? I don't know. I'll hope that you can. I can still see it from here. This little cup is one that I got from Grove Collaborative because it has the lid, and I love it. Oh, it smells so good. I didn't put any sweetener. I started to put a little bit of sugar in here because I do like a little bit of sugar in my tea sometimes, but I decided I wanted to give the tea a chance on its own first. So, oh my gosh. That is so good. It just tastes like steeped has a little bit of a tea flavor to it, but not like a black tea because there's no black tea in this. It's the rooibos, but the vanilla, and it's just warm. And I know that it's like 88 degrees outside, but inside it's plenty cool, and that is delicious. That would also make a really good iced tea. As I imagine with this peppermint, I wonder if you could just take a regular run-of-the-mill tea and drop 1 or 2 of these peppermint ones in there and make yourself a big black tea peppermint mix. I will probably try that, and I will let you know how that works out. Thank you so much for coming by the channel, and I hope you loved seeing all these teas. I have to tell you, I really loved receiving them, and I will absolutely recommend this. Actually, I think my mom would love this box. She and my dad love teas. So I will put my link below and my code, Catherine5, which gives you $5 off your first box in case you have any interest in any of these teas. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon with more boxes. Bye, guys.